And hello guys, how are you? For those who are still struggling and putting their necktie on, going to a party, here is the tip. So first you're going to measure like this, until here, below your breast. And then you're going to put it like this, like that. Okay, like that. And then putting it inside, going like that. Make sure that it faces the right place where it faces, and then you put it inside, and again you put it here like that, and after that like that, and again once again you put it across, so across, and you put it inside like that, and you get this and you insert it in here. Make sure that it's fixed well and fit well like that. So yan, ganyan siya. And you're going to pull it like this. Like that. And make sure that it's like this. And then you pull this one like that. And of course we have here the like this, so you're going to insert here, and yeah, like that, done. And see the difference.